Hello friends, welcome to Nandkishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn how to solve this type of equation easily. First of all, check all the denominators because these denominators are disturbing me. 5, 10, 15. Is there any way of getting rid of them? Yes. Find their LCM. LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is going to be 30. Once we have found their LCM, you just need to do one step. You just multiply by 30 on both sides. Multiply by 30 on both sides. Now let us see how it's going to help. Multiplying both sides by 30 means each and every term on left side and right side will be multiplied by 30. That means this x plus 3 over 5, this is going to be multiplied by 30. 2x minus 5 over 10, this is also going to be multiplied by 30, and same on the right side, 2 over 15 will be multiplied by 30. What will happen? This 5 and 30, they will cancel. 10 and 30, 15 and 2. See, all the denominators are removed now. That is what the challenge was. Now, let me rewrite whatever we are left with. X plus 3 multiplied by 6. Then 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3. This is 2 times 2 now. Solving this equation is much easier than the upper one. 6 will be multiplied with both the terms inside. 6x plus 18. 3 multiplied with 2x. 3 multiplied with 5. 2 multiplied with 2. 6x and 6x becomes 12x. 18 minus 15 becomes plus 3. Then this 3 will be shifted to right side, its sign will be changed, and that means 12x is equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. 12x is equal to 1 means now 1 will go to other side, will go to denominator, and finally x will be equal to 1 over 12. This is the final answer. So main step was the denominators which were disturbing us. We need to get rid of them, and for that firstly find the LCM and then multiply by the LCM on both the sides. I hope this concept is clear to you all, and this video is really helpful for all the students who face difficulty in solving these type of steps. Thank you so much.